wanted to do some Valentine's artwork for the grandkids, and here's a sample. So you created this envelope and with recycled paper, and so you've created some hearts. This looks great. So good job, Mom. And then it keeps going and you say some funny stuff. So there it goes, yeah. It says, my race car driver to be, turn left now, be silly, be good. The winner is you, and then my favorite little boy, ready, set, go fast, love you. You are special, you are kind and smart, and be strong like your dad, and sweet like your mom. You have safe rides forever, made with love by Grandma Petey. So that's really cute. And then here's a sticker. So, good job. Okay, so here's another one, just, you know, using bags. So, and you created this envelope with our arts and crafts and our paints and stuff. That's cute, Mom. Good job. So, good job, Mom. You picked out a good color palette.
I gave things for them to paint.
Yeah. So it's just you've got a heart punch out. Do you have the punch out? Where's?
It's out in the garage.
Yeah. Why don't you bring that here and we'll show the heart punch. It's really cool. You are special. You are kind, smart. And it says all sorts of sweet words to say. Something good, you know, encouraging words happens. Something that happened to you, the Valentine's Day. Super cute. So
she's real smart. She's really artistic.
So, and then you just kind of, this is with a gel pad, the jelly pad. And so we put our jelly pads, we put them on clear clipboards, and so, and here's the gel pad that you use.
They add the paint to it.
And so, yeah, this is a good way to keep you know, and then we've got a little one. This one. So this is the heart punch. It's pretty cool. And so, and we were able to cut out these hearts. And so,
you want to try one?
Oh yeah! Wow, that's cool. You did that on the gel pad.
I did that on the gel pad.
So this is like huge.
Put it on the edge and push it way in.
Okay, put it. Okay, that's to get it out.
Push it way in.
Push it way in.
And push it right to the edge here.
Right here?
There, right there.
Okay.
Push.
There we go.
I have to cut that bottom one off.
Now this is not an easy press. It's not for kids. It's hard, a little hard, but it does a good job. Look at that. Woo!
I need to cut
And then you slide this out. And then there's the heart. It's perfect. It's perfect. And so you were able to punch out all these cute little sayings and tape the ribbons to it. We'll have to fold that back up in this one. Oh.
That's just some extra, that's nothing but extra stuff.
Oh, this is just, oh, these are your supplies.
This is their supplies, and this, so they can make something out of them.
Oh, cool.
I gave him a whole bunch of things.
We'll have to, these are awesome supplies that they can have. Oh, we got the ribbon. So this is really cool that you have this. I found this for you, and I didn't realize how big it was going to be. And it's like, wow. And then look at all these hearts. It's so cool.
And you can't get a whole lot out of a piece of paper.
So, yeah, hold on. I dropped a ribbon. So,
Here, put those in.
okay, so you cut out a bunch of hearts, and we're gonna give them to the grandkids tomorrow and
Just to play with.
Yeah, just to play with or whatever, and so yeah, there's lots of hearts. You know, one of my favorite things is just a simple brown paper bag. I just love them. Just classic, you know.
I used to use the bark bags from airplanes, but now they're plastic, so
Oh yeah.
I don't use them anymore.
The bark bags. Okay. Next is
To Mom and Dad.
this is to
Mom and
the
Dad.
mom and dad. So this is how it looks. Kind of folded up, and then look at that.
I did Mama's and Dad's a little different.
Oh, look at that. That is so cool. So, I loved you from the first time we met. You made, your grandson. She married your grandson. I now admire you as a mother to your kids. You are someone really special. Her Jeep is really hot, and she looks great, and she has such a good heart, and just all sorts of warm fuzzies to
Read
say.
that one.
Never argue with Alex. Just explain why you are right. Yes, yes. Just explain why you're right. Just don't argue. Just.
How about this?
Okay, and you can fold that up, and we'll show that at the end. And is this the last one?
No, read that.
Oh, don't worry if Alex doesn't get you a Valentine's card. You didn't get a groundhog on that day either. Oh well. Okay.
Isn't that funny?
No, I don't get it.
Well, if you don't get a groundhog on Groundhog's Day, you might not get a Valentine on Valentine's Day.
I don't get that. I don't get it.
Well, I'm
Okay,
gonna give you a
Alex, I
groundhog
want
on
this to be
Valentine's
the
Day.
reason why Alex calls you that you look down at your phone, smile, then walk into a pool. I want this to be the reason when Alex calls that you look down at your phone, smile, then walk into a pool.
A happy accident.
Okay. I don't get that one either, but okay.
Dads are cool, dads are neat, but they sure do have big feet. I love every inch of you.
Okay. To your grandson. See? Never forget. Dog kisses fix everything. Our hearts hurt for your loss. Yes. The treasure. So yeah, we'll have to. Very good, Mom. And I just love, there it is. There it is. I really like the black and then the red and the ribbon. Cute. I love the ribbon with the stretch. I think that's my favorite. With the white stitching. Yeah.
Didn't have enough of it for the kids.
Cute. Okay. Okay, is that it? Okay, so let's do another one of those hearts. I'm gonna fold those up, and so we can do one last picture. So okay, so check this out.
Push it all the way up.
That's big.
The edge.
Look at that. And then it has the slide to it. Yeah. That's so cool. Slide. It's big. It's heavy. Yeah, I don't want to.
Where's the little boys?
I don't want to ring it. So, okay.
We've lost one.
That's right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right here. Okay, yeah, fold those up. Okay, we got that one. Fold those up. Oh, we gotta go all those way through. That's just amazing. Look at that. Look at that. So, then you take it out. Take that out. There it is. It's a perfect heart. Perfect.
Throw it in the basket.
Woo. Okay, so we've got one. And then we've got two. I like that.
It starts from this end.
Oh, okay.
Pull the ribbon both at the same time.
Okay, and then We need the other one. And then the last one. We'll have to get some more ribbon. So, okay. So these are super cute. And then that was a great job. Good job, Mom. Good job.
I had a nice time doing that.
So.
And the kids are so sweet.
And so, your next project after this is we're going to do a watercolor with this palette. So we're looking forward to that. And we picked out the colors. Oh, there's some more here too. You know what? It looks like it matches the heart thing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So this
I have to do a sample of the colors.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a sample. So, but I really love these card things.
I might put in a hot pink in there.
Look at that. It matches. It matches. So, okay. So, there you go. Good job. Just, this thing is amazing. It cuts it out, stick it, tape it to, or glue dots. But I would rather tape it or staple it. Anyway, oh, and our chihuahua wants to see. Come on, let's have our chihuahua. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. We got our chihuahua. You want to see? You want to see? You want to see? Yeah.
Look
What
up.
do you think?
Look up.
Look up. Look up. Do you want to see? Look up. No. Okay, let's go back down. You want to go? You want to go to your bed? Okay. Yeah. I think it's. Okay. Anyway, good job, Mom. Yeah, Grandma's holding our chihuahua. So good job. This is great. I love this, and it's not.
It made it special.
It's worth it. I think this was like $30. So good job.